Let me guess. Your bike needs a service, but the thought of spending your precious Sunday at a noisy, greasy workshop is, well, exhausting. The endless waiting, confusing bills, lack of transparency. It's time for a change. What if your bike service could come to you? That's why we created BikeFixit. We are certified mechanics providing professional, transparent, and convenient bike care right at your doorstep. Wondering how it works? It's simple. 1. Book a service through our easy-to-use mobile app or website. Pick a time and location that works for you. 2. Our certified mechanic arrives with everything needed to give your bike expert care. We use genuine spares and provide a transparent quote on the app. You approve everything before we start. No surprises ever. 3. Once done, you get a digital service report and pay from your phone. Your bike is ready and you never had to leave your couch. With BikeFixit, you're not just getting a service. You're getting peace of mind. The convenience of doorstep service, transparent pricing, and expert mechanics. We handle your bike so you can handle what's important to you. Stop wasting your time and start enjoying the ride. Download the BikeFixit app today and get a special 20% discount on your first service. Your bike will thank you.